In this flyover, we're going to head in and take a look at the stadium. So again, this is the main entrance coming into the athletics area. Kind of come into the public plaza area. And then over here is going to be our grand entrance into the stadium, which will be gated off most of the time unless we have activities happening. So this will be the Owatonna Stadium and Federated Field. So you can see in here, this is going to be a great place to host games. What we're looking at right now down below is the two foundation rooms from the ISD 761 Foundation and the Owatonna Foundation. Under this overhang is your concession stand. There's two openings back in there, so we're protected by the weather. And also the restrooms are over here to the left, those two doors that you'll see right about there. And then here's just a kind of a bird's eye, not even a bird's eye view. Well, now it's going to be a bird's eye view of the plaza area. Kind of see it, it goes all the way to the back side of the bleachers. And as we're coming up here, you'll notice the press box. We'll have 5 separate press box areas and with access from the back side. And then a crow's nest up top for the coaches and video. Here's what the field looks like. Put a lot of effort into making sure that our community and our kids are going to be proud of their field, and I think we've come up with a pretty nice design. You can see the new scoreboard over there on the right, which is actually the scoreboard that was at the old field. We brought everything over, but we added a video screen to it. So that was a good cost saver there. And we will end with an overall view of the entire stadium. As you can see, the track is starting to become gray. And I think we're going to be very proud of this as we move forward.